beautiful song called Paula. Sean performed this on our first CD called Imprint.
Early golden rays of light gleam the moon and stars from sight. Leaves are beckoned by a jungle stream. The mist rolls through the morning air. I walk through the everywhere. The sparrow gently wakes me from my dream. With the rainbow canopy, the valley shelters me. I savor every leaf and drop of rain. You knew me as a child, free and running wild. Oh, never turn your sun away. My home, no place on earth could lure my heart away. All things must pass, all your memory will last. Oh, never turn your sun away. Never turn your sun away.